Welcome to my Hard Talk series. And hard talks are generally hard talks. And I wanted to share my perspective of living and loving design for the past probably 2 decades. I generally don't talk about design. I have never come out and said this is exactly how it should be done, because design is something that you actually experience inside you, and every cell of my body speaks that. But when you don't have a similar experience, it is hard to talk in the same plane. But I have kept all my reservations aside, and I wanted to talk about a few things, because I think there is enough muck in the industry which I can't clear it all, but at least I can share a perspective, like how a darkness can be not fought with, but a simple light can bring in little bit of clarity to it. The whole idea of this Hard Talk series is to share what I think as a, can you see my gray hair? That's pretty much where I wanted to talk from. So let's get started with some of the interesting questions and ideas and perspectives that are floating around in our industry.